In the previous video, we were gathering giant Himalayan nettle. It is off-season now, but we will try experimenting anyway and just see how it turns out.
This one is a little bit already dry. Older one.
Okay.
The younger one is better.
Ah, yeah. See. So we just put in water?
Yeah,
now?
you can only just put in the water.
Nice. And then for some days inside water.
Yeah, just
2-3
inside
days.
water, then just leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Then 2 days, 3 days later, we boiling again.
Nice.
My grandmother, grandfather, they will make it like when it's river, natural river, then they will keep inside the water or river side like this. Huh? This is just leave it. Yes, keep 2 days, 3 days like this. Then yesterday we bring milk also.
Oh, wow, I didn't see.
You don't see?
No. Wow.
We don't found the cup. Now we're making another.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Wow.
Wow.
So beautiful.
When is we making bush? From this is like older system, no? This is. We need to try. I don't know how it's
Yeah.
running.
Yeah.
This one. We making. I don't know. My grandmother, she will make how to make. If cup, then it's more easy. Huh? This is I don't know how to make. This one is not my work. Actually, we need to. This rule is like this. Then we keep here. Then it's
Wow, Maya. Wow. Ah.
we make it balance from the hand. That's why we need to. This is very soft.
Ja, dat is de plaatmens. Voor die talent.
Like this.
Wow, Maya.
Only we need to 1 cup. Then it's easy to everything.
Yeah.
Cup is it? This is very good. Push the wood, then it's easy to grow. Easy to make line. Yeah? Mau perfect? Perfect? Okay. Dhanyavad. Before I work this one, making carpet. Ashe? But I will ask for the, like actually like wool is like this. No? It is easy to bush coming very easy, nice. Otherwise, little bit difficult.
Maya has been looking for carding tools all over Pokhara, but it's very difficult to find. When Maya and Devi grew up, it was a normal thing for every household to know these skills. But people are now forgetting, and less people in this area are still doing the traditional craft. And that's also why it's so difficult to find these tools. So we will just take it one step at a time and see what we can do.
if we making from the cob clean, then this kind of bush is automatically gone. Otherwise, this is rolling here. Then it's not good, looking not so good. If I found one day this cob, then I will make more easy. Otherwise, we making by handmade, making bush.
Maybe I just sit and do with this.
Especially this one is for socks. Socks is very good.
Very strong.
Yeah, this also one time making that is long time. House inside very good, warm. We to clean this black and white different type. Then is this is very nice white color coming. And we mix black one also. Then like this color is coming.
Wow.
ल ल जाऊ जाऊ साथी खोजेर जाऊ होइन साथी आएको छ उतै माथि जा बोल साथी जाम भन्नु हुन्न के नगर त नगर नगर त्यही हो खिरियो भने त छिन्छ के फेरि बिस्तारै बिस्तारै हिँड्न त चल त अगाडि घुम्नु
धागो बनाएको
जा त म त्यो बोरा त्यो उन भेट है
म त सब मान्छे पट म न बाख्राको म गए मम्मी
Yeah, this is then sitting and working here either. Then just you sit like this slowly, slowly. When it's here, something bush coming, take out from your hand. Sometimes I have no cup, that's why bush is still here. Look, come here.
Okay.
License गरेको पो छैन like this side. This little bit slowly. Yeah.
Oi, no.
If too much rolling here, then no need to long distance.
Yeah.
Long distance, then it's like this.
Okay. Then, book.
Yeah. Huh? म त जान्दिनँ म त झिन्जिन त खै अहिले भएन
And then,
opposite side and another there from that के भन्छ रे हाउ टु से
okay.
No. Again, you making roll.
So, okay. So when I bring, then how do you hold your hand when you do?
I will just very soft. I will make like this. You are rolling slowly. This is make to both hands is making balance. Not make press, but very lightly. If we have bush, then bush making the cup, then we making very nice bush, nothing, not inside. Then now it's we don't have that. We can roll. If you long, then you hold this one hand is like this. Then you see you rolling here. Then this is strong. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We come this side.
Oi. So difficult.
You think difficult?
Very difficult. But so nice also.
This is really need balance. You know?
Yeah, you're holding here. I was holding inside.
Yeah. That's
Pressing.
No need to make press. This is just like hold.
Yeah.
If too much holding, too much. Then again, if here is bigger coming, we're making from the hand balance. this is, if here is too much rolling, then this one is automatically go like this line. Then we make it like this. No need to go anymore. Okay, first we making wool is very soft. Better, you know.
Yeah.
There's no one, but this one and this one, it is not so good coming.
That helped a lot.
Huh?
That helped a lot.
Så jetzt will ich auch mal auf den Movie. Wollen mal so ein Movie mehr. Ja? Ja? Da guck, ein Movie bitte. Oh. Da guck, Ui. Hallo, Namaste, boy. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, ja, ja. Was? Was?
Today we making, this is all. Tomorrow we also make from hand some like bush. Then we also, this is we making, okay.
Nice.
And this is you do.
Yes. Nice. Okay, okay. Oh, I forgot about the tea. I forgot about the tea.
Ah, tea. Oh, your tea. First you eat tea.